Alright, tubers, I've kind of started pulling up on the trailer a little bit already. Got a set of snatch block, get to pull over to the side here a little bit. It's just coming on way too close to that side, so I'm just going to try this kind of an easy way here. Try to cheat a little bit. Oh, my back is giving me a little bit of a fit this morning, so I'm hoping this ain't too close to the winch there to do any good, but we're gonna find out. It's kind of hard doing this one-handed here. See if I can get y'all. Yeah, it might work. Let's see here. See if we can get this thing to pull over for us here. Yeah, she's going a little bit. Well, I like that a little better. And of course, she's gonna keep rolling back on me. Let me get something to block that back tire. What I think's happening here is there's a hydraulic drive motor. This I wouldn't spin it all when I got it, and I think the chains broke. There's got two chains in there to drive each one. That side, the front chain and the nose broke, so I took it out, but the back was still on, but that motor spun freely. And once I get this up here on the trailer and everything, I gotta jack it up, take the wheels and tires off. These two go to my buddy's tractor, so I gotta get them off, take them back. These I'm taking off too, because I did some swapping. This one's junk. The other one's still got pretty good tread, and he's got a it's a Little Dipper. Y'all guys up north will know what those are. It's basically a little loader based off of a forklift platform. He's gonna get that tire and the other three that go with it. I traded him some stuff for those, and then I traded him some regulators that I have on my torch that I'm using right now, because my other ones that I got with the welder and stuff was messed up. For the dual spool valve body, it's too big for what I need. I mean, it's humongous, but I gotta pull the ground cable off here because it's brand new. I gotta get up in there, get it taken loose. My little starter button here that I put on here. I'm gonna take the fuel pump off because it's still a good pump just to have. Get the rest of the stuff that's in the shop, the seat and stuff like that, that's laying over there, the back cover to it, it's gonna go inside. So she made a heck of a leaky mess there, but yeah, ain't too worried about it. Gets it out of here. And I got a few other things I'm about to load up as well, but let me go ahead and get these back tires chalked so I can release off and pull this sucker forward some more. We'll have to go in the shop and get one of my 4x4 blocks. Oh, maybe the lights are turned on in here, and nope, kind of dark. That light and that light over there take forever to turn on when it's cold outside, and if it's really cold, none of them turn on for crap. Takes forever. Gotta remember where I put my 4x4 block at. I've got several of them. There's one right there that my kids lovely decided to hammer screws and wood too, but it'll work. It's just gonna hold it just so it don't roll back, so I can reposition the chain and the winch there. I have no clue what this thing weighs either. I mean, hell, it's got an emergency brake, but let's see if that'll even hold. That emergency brake might do the trick, but we'll find out real quick. Negative. Didn't do a damn bit of good. So, I'll get y'all in the frame here, sorry about that. Got one block here. I've got more blocks in the shop. I got some other here, but so I gotta get all that stuff loaded up. I got more of the 4x4s. Just lifting all this stuff and getting it all loaded up is going to be painful when my back hurt, but I'm going to have to get it done. I need to get some air in them tires. Whew, them boys are flat. These look pretty good on this side, but alright. Like I said, it's going to be another 45 minutes to an hour before I even start to head down the road with this thing. Which another issue too, guys, while I'm on the subject of thinking about it, my truck will sit here at idle all day long, not a problem. You let it warm, you can take off and drive it, and you can be driving easy, and then all of a sudden it'll just die. I've replaced the PMD, relocated it, put another oil sending unit on it. It was where it used to be driving down the road, even at highway speed, it'll just die. Push the clutch in, turn the key off, wait a second, turn the key back on, pop the clutch and fires back up and goes, keeps on going. It only does it when it's cold. When it's hot outside, you know, 70 degrees and warmer, it will not do it. When it's real cold out, you know, 30 degrees below, it won't do it. So I don't know what the heck's going on. If any of y'all out there watch my videos, actually might have any incline to it, what might be causing that, let me know. And I'm leaning more toward this being the oil pressure sending unit, just not a good one. I've been told not to buy from AutoZone, or otherwise to go straight to the Chevrolet house and get them from the Chevy house, but God, they're just expensive as hell through them. But anyway, on that side note, let's get this done. I gotta yeah, that's gonna work real lovely. I got her angled the way I wanted. And I'm at the chalky back tires. This one's damn near flat, so the other side is flat, so they'll probably just roll. I grab another 4x4 block. I ain't dicking with that. Sad part is I gave $400 for that machine. God, it's been probably 3-4 months ago, 5-6 months ago, something like that. Y'all seen the videos of it. I guarantee I probably won't get a couple $100 today out of it in scrap, but I'd rather lose a couple $100 than lose thousands of dollars putting it into this thing, and turn out later that this thing's not worth anything. I've seen a couple of them sell online, nothing this big, none of them with diesel motors in them, and they just didn't sell for nothing, you know, 2,500 bucks. So I ain't gonna dump a ton of money into something like this and not have nothing worth it, you know what I mean? So, but I apologize, I haven't shaved in a week. I look scruffy, look rough, but hey, look at it. Got me a nice little splinter there. I'm not so sure that that's going to hold the way I want it to. Bet you it doesn't. But maybe it'll hold up against that fender good enough it'll support it till I can get rehooked here. Alright. Now take this. Now I'm just kind of hoping it's going to pull back straight. So we'll find out here. Let's run around in here. And looks of it, no. Oh, crud. Look at that. Got some three-wheel action going. Ooh, I don't like the sound of that. So what I'm gonna do, which I about got about where it needs to be on the trailer anyway. It actually needs to come forward another 2 foot or so, but guys, I'm gonna have to put the camera down, and I have no tripod, no nothing for this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and shut the video off, and I'll get more once I get it completely loaded. So this would be part 2 load, and then I'll get a part 3 load, and then a part 4, and however I got to do it. So anyway, stay tuned to the next one part.